And as the best driver of Cat's Eye, I think the person who caused the collision was Yoonchae, because if you look at it, it looks like her car flipped, and to avoid the situation, all of us tried to divide, but then instead we all crashed together and had a collision. But I think Yoonchae started the collision.
Hi, this is Mano, and I think this one, Sophia, started the collision.
Hi, I'm Sophia, and I think that Daniela started the collision.
Hi, I'm Yoonchae, and I think the guard has the correction. I'm Laura, and I think I caused the collision.
Hi, I'm Daniela, and I think Sophia caused the collision.